Hello student, in my previous video we have learned how to find trigonometric ratios. Now in this video we are going to see the relation among them. So first of all, let's draw one right angle triangle. I am naming this triangle as PQR. In this your angle Q is right angle and I am giving value theta to angle R. Now let's find measure of angle P. And I hope you all know how we can find measure of angle P. PQR. Measure of angle P plus measure of angle Q plus measure of angle R is 180 degree. Right? How? SOMAT. What is SOMAT? Sum of measures of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Right. So we don't know measure of angle P. This is 90 degree and this is theta. This is gonna be 180 degree. So measure of angle P equal to 180 degree. I am bringing this 90 and theta that side. So what will happen? The sign will get changed. So therefore your measure of angle P will be 90 degree minus theta. Now let's quickly get the sum of measure of angle P and measure of angle R. So this is, what is measure of angle P? Just we calculated 90 minus theta, and measure of angle R is theta. So this minus theta and plus theta we get cancel and this is 90 degree. Means what we can see sum of measure of angle P and R is 90 degree. Therefore it is complementary angle. As we know, if sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, then they are called complementary angles. Right. So here we can write angle P and angle R are complementary angles. Right. Now let's find all the trigonometric ratios for angle theta as well as angle 90 minus theta. And for finding that, I have given you one name to remember. What was that? Yes, Osa Chota. So I will write here Osa Chota. Right? So let's find sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Sin, cos, tan, cot and cosec. And we will also find sin 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, sec 90 minus theta and cosec 90 minus theta. What is sine? Let's first divide this name into three equal parts and we will concentrate on center later. So S means sine, opposite upon hypotenuse. So here we will write opposite side upon hypotenuse. Same for cos, adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Then opposite side upon adjacent side. And how we calculate this? Cot, we have to concentrate on third letter of these ratios. So cot is reciprocal of T, matlab tan. Sec is reciprocal of cos, that is hypotenuse upon adjacent side. And cosec is reciprocal of sine. So this is hypotenuse upon opposite side. Fine. Now let's write in terms of sides. So for theta, opposite side will be PQ and adjacent side will be QR. and hypotenuse will be PR. So let's write it here. So this is PQ and PR. This is QR upon PR. This will be PQ upon QR. This will be reciprocal of 10. So QR upon PQ. फिर sec is reciprocal of cos. So PR upon QR. And cosec is reciprocal of sin. So PR upon PQ. Right? Now, we will also calculate this. And this time I will not be writing this red part. I will be writing in the terms of sides. Right. So sine 90 minus theta के लिए opposite side will be this, adjacent side will be this, and hypotenuse will be this. So let's write first QR upon PR. Adjacent side is PQ. So PQ upon PR. 10 will be opposite upon adjacent. So QR upon PQ. Cot is reciprocal of 10. Again, we have to concentrate on third letter of these ratios. So this will be PQ upon QR. Sec is reciprocal of cos. This will be PR upon PQ. And cosec will be reciprocal of sin. So same PR upon QR. Now, I am giving you 1 minute to look these ratios carefully. And if you want to make a note, you can take a screenshot. So I hope you remember the name. What was that? Osa Chota. Do not forget this, right? So sine, cos and tan. And एक बार आपको ये तीन याद हो गया तो आप क्या करोगे? ये तीन रेशियोज के थर्ड लेटर पे कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके you will write reciprocals. Okay. Now ध्यान से देखिए, अगर आप साइन थीटा देख रहे हैं और यहाँ पे कॉस 90 माइनस थीटा देख रहे हैं तो दोनों का आंसर क्या आ रहे हैं? PQ upon PR and PQ upon PR. Means what? कि cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. And if you can see cos theta and sin 90 minus theta, so QR upon PR and QR upon PR. It means sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Similarly, you can see tan theta and cot 90 minus theta, cot theta and tan 90 minus theta. And then sec theta will be equal to cosec 90 minus theta and cosec theta will be equal to sec 90 minus theta. That's how we call it trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So that's how we can remember these formulas. Okay, now one more thing. Again and again and again we are saying that ki cot is reciprocal of tan, and how we can remember this? By focusing third letter of this cot, right? So cot is reciprocal of tan. How we can write? Cot is reciprocal of 10 means 1 by 10. And if cot is reciprocal of 10, then 10 will be also reciprocal of cot, right? Then sec is reciprocal of cos, third letter is C. So we can write sec theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. If sec theta is reciprocal of cos, then cos is also reciprocal of sec, right? And here, sin is reciprocal of cosec, so cosec is reciprocal of sin, right? Similarly, we can remember these things. And if we want to conclude this for ourselves, how we can conclude? It means cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta are inverse ratios of sin theta, cos theta and tan theta respectively. Other way around we can call as, and we can say multiplicative inverse or the reciprocals of sines, cosines and tangent ratios are called cosecant, secant and cotangent respectively, right? So that's how we can remember these complementary angles and the reciprocals are things. Now let's talk about this. Sine into cosec is 1. Why? Now what is my sine? PQ upon PR. What is my cosec? PR upon PQ. Let's multiply this. So I'm making this box here. So I will multiply PQ upon PR into PR upon PQ. Now let's divide. PR get divided, PQ is divided. So answer is 1. So that's how we can say sine theta into cosec theta is 1. Right? And similarly we can get cos into sec is 1 and tan into cot is 1. Right? Now this sine theta upon cos theta is equals to tan theta. Now let's divide this sine theta upon cos theta. What is that? PQ upon PR upon QR upon PR. Now see, this PR will get cancelled, and what is remaining? PQ upon QR. What's that? PQ upon QR is nothing but tan theta. Right? So sine upon cos is tan theta, and similarly we can get, if we are going to divide cos by sine, we will get cot. So that's how we can remember these formulas very easily. Okay. So if you want to make a note, you can take a screenshot or you can pause the video. Thank you.